Hey, today we have the Pokemon TCG 2025 Pokeball tin. Let's open it and see what we get. There are 3 packs inside with a couple of stickers, a Meloetta and a Mega Lucario. Let's first open the Destined Rivals pack. For this one, the rare card we got is the Ethan's Typhlosion. Next, we'll open the Surging Sparks pack. We got a Landorus. And now for the last one, the Journey Together pack. I really hope we get something good this time. Finally, a full art card. It's a Whale Lord. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next time.